Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video and the next one maybe, I'm going to show you some of what the cpstat command can do on a checkpoint firewall. From monitoring firewall stats and secure Excel acceleration to checking high availability status and system health. The cpstat command gives you a quick and powerful look into how your gateway is performing. I'll go through several practical examples so you can see exactly how each part works, live and in action. So if you have never used cpstat beyond the basics, this is the video for you. So let's get started. So what is the cpstat command? The cpstat command is a powerful tool in checkpoint environments that provides real-time status information about various components. So here are some of important cpstat commands that every admin should know and use. So the first one is check the CPU utilization. So the command is this one here. Let's see this one. So this is very important actually. So this command is cpstat-f CPU OS. This command provides detailed information about CPU usage, including user time, system time, idle time, and number of CPUs. It's useful for monitoring the performance of your system. So first, this F here, the -F option the F stands for flavor, which specifies the type of information to collect. So second, the CPU user time. So this here, what is this CPU user time? 3%. This represents the percentage of time the CPU spends executing user level processes. So in this search here, we see that it is 3%. This typically includes applications and other non-kernel processes. Next one, the CPU system time. This is the percentage of time the CPU spends executing system-level processes or kernel processes. This can include tasks like managing hardware interrupts and system calls. The next one is, let's take a look at CPU queue length, for example. This indicates the number of processes waiting for CPU time. And then the value of dash, this value here, suggests that this metric is not currently being measured or is not applicable in your setup. And then the CPU interrupts in seconds. This measures the number of interrupts the CPU handles per second. Interrupts are signals to the processor emitted by hardware or software indicating an event that needs immediate attention. Your system is handling which can be indicative of the level of activity or load on your system. So the second, we can take another command, which is the memory utilization. So let's check this one here. Let's copy that again. So -F performance. This command gives insights into memory usage, including total and active virtual and real memory, as well as free real memory. It is essential for diagnosing memory-related performance issues. In this case, the flavor is perf, which is used to gather performance-related statistics of the operating system. As we can see here, this is the total memory, active memory, the real memory, and we have many other disk space, for example. So this is very useful to check the memory. So the next command is network interfaces. So let's take this one here. Not that one. This one here. So interfaces firewall. So this command displays information about network interfaces, including IP addresses, net masks, and topology. It's crucial for verifying network configurations and troubleshooting connectivity issues. And here we can see, this is important, we can see flags, and it says 0. So we have 4 types of flags. The first one is flag 32. The flag 32, this flag signifies that connection creation from templates is disabled. So if you see here 32, that is the meaning of it. This is typically seen on physical interfaces, and here we have only a virtual machine. So flag 16 indicates that fragments should be forwarded to the firewall. This is often seen on bundle interface. So if we have a bund, it should have flag 16. And we have flag number 1. This flag indicates that the interface is up and running. It's basic status flag that is commonly seen in VTI, or virtual tunnel interface. And lastly, the flag 0, which we have here, which is no special configuration or status is indicated. And here we can see, for example, slaves. So if we have a bund interface, it consists of many physical interfaces. So you can see when you have a bund here, say for example bund 0, you can see what physical interfaces are in that bund here on the slaves. So again, this is also an important command. So the next one, policy information. So let's take this one here. Oh, again. So -f policy. Let's go. So this command provides information about the currently installed security policy, including the policy name, installation time. It is useful for ensuring that the correct policy is applied. So here we can see policy name, CA policy. So this is the name of my policy. And you can see total accepted packets. This is very important. Drop packets, accept bytes, key connections, number of connections, so many useful information. And here we can see interface by interface. So this interface accept this amount, log, drop, no drops, because my policy is only accept. So it is in and out. So many good information. So the next one, the IPSec VPN. So this command show you all information about VPN. But because I don't have a VPN on this gateway, so you can see question marks here. It's also very important. This command provides comprehensive information about IPSec VPN, including tunnel status and traffic statistics. It's crucial for monitoring VPN connections and ensuring secure communication. So the next one, we will do it on a management server. Let's open a new here. Let's make that. Let's log into a management server, and we will continue using that cpstat command. So the first one is this one. So -f default mg, and mg is management. So this command provides information about the checkpoint security management server, including its version, build number, active status, and connected clients. It's useful for checking the health and status of your management server. So here we cannot see anything because Smart Console is not active, or it's not open. So I don't have Smart Console here. So when you open Smart Console and you log into Smart Console, it should show up here. So what we can see here, version, and this is important, the ECA, or the certificate authority on management server. And you can see the date and time. The time for it is valid until 2038, so many years. So the next one is this one here again. So log server status. This command displays the status of the log server component of the management server, which is crucial for monitoring log processing and storage. So here we can see 000. So because this is a lab, there's no traffic, but in production, you should see numbers here. So log receive rate, what is the rate of log received from the gateways, the peak, log receive rate 10 minutes, last hour. And here we can see what gateways are connected to this management server. And this is my gateway which is connected. So this is also important for troubleshooting to see if logs are coming or not. And the last one is the indexer here. Let's grab that. And this provides information about the indexer component, which is responsible for indexing logs for efficient search and retrieval. So as we can see here, so total read logs. So especially these commands are very useful, especially when you have problems that the gateway does not show logs on Smart Console or on management server. So you can check these commands to troubleshoot that problem. Again, so we can see total updates and logs indexed. So for example, if this number is freezing, so not moving, so there you can understand that there are a problem sending logs from gateway to your management server. And here errors, you can see 000. So this is also very important. So this video is done here. So in next video, I will show you more cpstat useful commands. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.